Hello there, this is Rohit and welcome back to another video of Photoshop in 1 minute. In this video, I will be showing you the Photoshop tips and tricks in just 1 minute. Welcome back. So in this video, let's see how to create a fake color lighting in Photoshop. So let me first start the time mode and let's go. So here we are in Photoshop. So let's suppose we have this picture and we want to create a color light from right to left. Step 1, go to the adjustment layer icon and select solid color. Choose any color you want. I'll generally prefer red. Hit OK. Now go to the gradient tool and double tap on the nav bar where you can see this gradient tool. Choose the color black both sides as it is already chosen. Hit enter. Now select the mask and draw a line from left to right like this. Now select the solid color layer as it is already selected. Go to the blending mode and change the blend mode from normal to color, and we are done here. If you want more perfection, just double click on the solid color layer and come under the blend if section and tweak the underlying layer like this. So it is so harsh. Hold the Alt key and click on the slider to break it apart and adjust the slider according to your picture like this. So we are done here, and let's see the before and after. So this is before and this is after. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if yes, then hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.